Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Makeup by Bukola and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be about this wig that I'm wearing. It is from Sam's Beauty, and throughout this video I'm going to be showing you the steps of how I apply my wig and what I do to it before I go out, So yeah, I'm going to also tell you the details of the hair while the clip is playing. The name of this wig is the Swiss Lace Invisible Deep Part Lace Wig, and as you can see, it comes in this box. So yeah, so this hair was sent to me by Sam's Beauty to review for you guys, and right out of the box the parting is not bad, but I wanted to go ahead and tweeze the parting a little bit more, so I did, and then I applied some powder, and I am in love with this parting, to say. So anyway, if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I'm going to leave the details down below. You can check that out and follow Sam's Beauty on all their social media page. Okay, so before even doing anything to this wig, I'm already liking the closure, the part, and now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace. Usually I would cut off the lace off camera on a wig stand, but I'm doing this for you right now. My pros and cons about this hair is, let's start with the bad first. And honestly, I only have one thing that was bad about this wig, and that was that it sheds. Even before cutting the lace, I noticed that some couple of strands were coming off the wig, but that wasn't a big deal. It was just like 2 or 3. And when I cut off the lace, I also got a couple more strands, and that was due to the fact that I cut off some hair while I was cutting off the lace. So you have to be very careful when you're cutting that part off. This wig is big head friendly, so if you're worried about the wig not fitting your head, if you have a lot of hair, you have a lot of space with this wig, and also you can adjust it if it's too big for you. I'm really loving this. I didn't glue it down yet or gel it down yet. Usually I use the Got To Be Glue gel, but I don't think I'm gonna do that right now. I'm just going to do a little bit, or I'm just going to gel down my own edges and let that be. So let's just go ahead and tweeze some of the hair, and you want to take this one by one and pull. You have to be very careful so you don't rip the lace. While I'm pulling out the lace part, I'm gonna go ahead and actually gel down this part so I could get a smooth finish. So I'm gonna put a little bit of gel. I'm going to allow the gel to dry down a little bit, and then go ahead and continue plucking my lace. What I'm most amazed about this hair is the parting space. As you can see, you have a lot of parting space from here up to here. The texture of this hair is yaki texture, I think. Yeah, it has a little bit of yaki texture, and it's not that shiny. So it looks very realistic. And guys, yeah, you can apply heat to this hair if you want to, I don't think you would need to, but you know, in the case when it's getting freezy, you can always flat iron it, which I don't recommend, by the way. It's about the hair. So, and as someone that is not typically be kind or long hair, long straight hair kind, I like curly hair, I like big hair. I really like this hair. I like the way it's cut. It is very full. Let me show you guys the density. So this hair is not thin at all. It is very full, as you can see. It is not thin. And what's another thing that I like about it? Oh yeah, and the color that I got is number 1. I wanted something that was very black, and that was number 1. But yeah, I really like this hair. Also the what is this called? Tape of the wig. It's also not too bad. It's not too thick, and it's not too thin. I actually didn't pluck the front. I just left it the way it is, and it works. I only plucked that part a little bit. But yeah, I hope you guys like this wig as much as I do. Don't forget to follow Sam's Beauty on their social media page, and also check out the details of this hair down below. I'm going to leave everything down in the description, and you guys can check it out. I think that's it for this wig. I really liked it. Yeah. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. We are almost at 1K, so make sure to subscribe. I will be doing a giveaway once I hit 1K, and I hope to see you in my next video. Stay blessed and beautiful, and I'll see you later. Bye.